In this video tutorial, you'll learn how to restrict specific user roles from editing with Elementor. Elementor is a great plugin to use when you want to create attractive pages on your website. But if you have multiple users on your site, you might want to restrict the access to Elementor Editor to some users. If I go to my users and click on All Users, here you can see two users are here, Administrator and Editor. If I open my site in a private tab and log in with the Editor user account, and now if I open a post, you can see that the Edit with Elementor button is here. But I want to restrict this role to access the Elementor. So, to do that, I'll go back to the admin dashboard. Now go to Elementor and click on Role Manager. Here you have all the roles in WordPress. Just go to the role you want to restrict and then check this option. Click on Save Changes. Now I'll open the editor site. And if I reload this page, as you can see, the Edit with Elementor button is now disabled for this role. If you want to know how to clear Elementor cache, we have a video explaining how you can do that too. I'll link it in the description below. Or you can also click on the eye icon in the top right corner of your screen to view the video. This is how you can restrict specific user roles from editing with Elementor. That's it for today's video. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments section below. And if you like this video, please click on the like button. If you're new to our channel, hit the subscribe button and tap the bell icon so that you don't miss any of our future videos. Thanks for watching. We'll see you with the next one.